Upper Lake early here in the morning. I got a special guest on the boat too. I'll show you in a second. All right, guys. Got a guest today. Everything going on? They're all right here. They're going off, guys. All right. Well, yeah, you guys got Tom, so we're gonna try to spot time right now. Look at him. That might be striper though. Freaking loaded in here. Top water. Come on, guys. Buy a little baby striper though. Oh, he just hammered it. Come on. There we go. Stripey's got little guys still. Sorry, dude. Just little dude still. Yeah, there he goes. Little dude. That's fun. Hey, dude. Thanks, dude. On a bubble fluke. For sure.
Just waited. So, I felt almost like I was dragging up a branch. And then finally he decided to start to fight.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
I gotta get in the habit of using my portable battery.
A little bit better there. Ooh, this is good. God, he's skinny, dude. Why you gotta be so skinny? Jeez, guys. All right, guys. Getting the bites here. Oh, got two. On the pause. Got a little guy though. Let me know if you need the next one. Top waters and drop shots. Let's go. That's a little bit fatter. Nice, dude. Well,
Kept it out there just dead sticking while trying to get the battery out of my GoPro.
And the funny thing is I was dead sticking in the top water. I was just sitting there and he hit it. Oh, he just broke. Put himself in the net. Thanks, dude. Just super little dudes, but hey, whatever. There we go. Oh, this is a strong guy. It's funny. On the freaking paws again. Just sitting there. There's a little bit better one. In the corner. Oh, good healthy. There's the best one. There you go. There's a better one. There's a better one. We're on them, guys. Best one of the day, maybe 2 pounds. Yep, another big head one. Ah, that's chunky, dude. Yes, let's go.
Nice long skinny one.
That's a good one too. First cast. Thanks, dude. Yeah, let's go. I think Castaic just came out of his belly when that was. Yeah. On the D shot. Yep, that was a Senko because it's in your belly. Let's see if I can get you. Oh yeah, I can get this out of him. Oh yeah, that was an easy out too. Not that big of a little wide gap. Alright. Hey, he's actually a short, fat guy. Oh, look at that guy. He's actually fat. Yeah, so Tom was getting close to having to leave, so wanted to hit a spot close to the launch ramp and drop the Ned rig a little bit. Oh, the Ned rig.
been a while. There we go. Doubles. Let's go, guys. There's one. Oh, you got it. Okay. Oh, smallie. Let's go. All right, guys. Little double Ned rig. Probably the second or third cast on the old Ned. Let's go. Yeah. Later. Right on that point, huh? Be a smallie. Ooh, chunky. Pretty good. Freaking Ned rig always worries me though. Oh yeah. There's a nice one, guys. Ooh, healthy too. Ooh, I got a good little hook set. The old Ned rig on him, guys. It's a fat guy. Still 1.8 maybe. Yeah. Good looking fish. So right after Tom leaves, I hit this spot and it's already late morning, 11:30 or so, and bam, topwater blowups are going on again. So I grabbed the bubble fluke and start chucking it. Nice largemouth. I think largemouth. Ooh yeah. It's a big one. It's a nice one. Yeah, let's go. A little topwater, late in the morning. Topwater, not a million, but maybe a 2-pounder. There we go. Nice chunk. Yeah, so just after scanning around everywhere, I see some bass hanging out there in like 15 foot of water, so I grabbed the drop shot and tried my best to just cast right into where they're sitting. Just skinny guy.
Guinea guy. Bottom dweller baits. It was a cool swim bait, a little 6-inch, super soft. Scared him. Little dude.